Hey, Richard Tubb here. We're at the Cloud and Cyber Security Expo at the London Excel. I've come to the Pax8 store today to meet a new friend, Darren, who is the Vendor Alliances Manager for Pax8. How are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you, Richard. How are you?
Very well indeed. Vendor Alliances Manager.
Yes.
What on earth is that? Tell us what you do.
Okay, so I'm one of the team of three that look after our vendor alliances in EMEA. So that's all of our partners, including some of the partners here today, like CrowdStrike, Scales, and also Wasabi, which is a great storage vendor that we've just taken on. And it's managing the day-to-day relationship with those vendors and making sure that we get the best service and best proposition for our customers.
So we're here at the Cloud and Cyber Security Expo. Look around, there are hundreds of vendors here today.
Yeah.
Pax8 must get inundated with vendors who want to come on board and be a part of the Pax8 marketplace. What makes the likes of Scale or CrowdStrike or others a vendor that you'll bring on board and partner with regards to everyone else?
Well, certainly, I mean, you're right, there's hundreds and hundreds of vendors here, all focusing on cybersecurity. When we look at our vendor lineup, obviously we've got the big players like CrowdStrike, which we've just brought to the UK and EMEA, but we've also got a lot that will make up the stack. So what's the best service? Looking at working with the MSP on their tech stack to make sure that we can offer a full cybersecurity, continuity, productivity, operations, all of that kind of stuff. So basically just making sure that we've got the best vendors, and from a vendor point of view, our community of partners, MSPs across EMEA, and the 30,000 odd partners that we have globally, they want to work with Pax8 because we provide a really good service both to the vendor and to our MSP partners.
Yeah, so there you have it, Pax8. I hear from a lot of MSPs the reason they work with Pax8 is because you refine, you curate the best of the marketplace, and I think we're just an example there. Darren, great to meet you.
Yeah, and you. Thanks,
Cheers.
Richard.